How can a simple exercise hanging from a bar help your health? And will 90, 60, or even 30 seconds make a difference? In this video, I will show you how it is exactly what you need to set a foundation for your health, fitness, daily activities, and living pain-free. All you need is gravity, your body weight, and something to hang on to. I will introduce you to the Deadhang exercise with its many benefits. Working out is not only about high-intensity, grueling workouts, but also about smart, effective workouts that can improve your grip strength and overall joint health, help your spine, and improve your posture, all which can happen with this simple exercise. More details will be shared later on the benefits with my top tips to get stronger. Does 90 seconds sound like a long time? If not, get ready for gravity to work on you. Hanging is simply one of the best exercises to help with shoulder pain, flexibility, and allows you to move more freely through different daily movements. This is something that I've used through years of working out and training people over the past 10 plus years. It is more than simply grabbing a bar and hanging on. It takes strength, perseverance, and determination to hold on when you don't feel like it. The Deadhang is a great exercise because it's something that anyone can do at home as a workout. All you need is a stable surface or bar that you can hang off, and you don't need a lot of time. Forcing yourself to hang from a bar when you're physically exhausted pushes you and helps you to become mentally stronger. You will be able to focus, push through discomfort, and stretch your boundaries of what you think you can do as you push to hold longer. You can then progress to more advanced variations, which can help in many resistance training exercises, athletic movements overall, and building up endurance over time, even if it's just a couple more seconds at a time. Basic form for a Deadhang is when you grab a bar straight overhead, supporting your body. You take a pronated grip about shoulder width apart. Keep the core relaxed, allowing your upper body to engage when doing the exercise. Extend your whole body. You need to have a good grip and your feet elevated off the ground. Later we'll cover how you can avoid injury. For beginners, you can even begin with your feet on the ground or at least toes touching. This allows you to keep intensity a little lower as you're starting out. Here are some of the main benefits and tips of the Deadhang explained. Number 4 is my favorite. The first noticeable benefit of the Deadhang has to do with grip strength. This is essential with daily life all the way to playing various sports. The hands and forearms are fully engaged as you hold your body weight during the Deadhang. If you don't have a strong grip, how can you expect to not get injured or lift weights? We all use grip strength in day-to-day activities when opening lids, grabbing groceries. Many people who can't do pull-ups are not able to grab a bar longer than 30 seconds, so you really need to start there. By incorporating the Deadhang into your routine, it will allow you to be safer when doing a pull-up and to be able to do more with correct form, engaging your muscles, preventing injury. If you're new, please consider subscribing, or if you're returning, please turn on notifications. Leave some comments letting us know if this is the kind of topic you want or what other topics you'd like to hear more about. It helps us so much, and I thank you in advance. Moving on with the grip, a Deadhang is applicable when performing calisthenics, opening a bottle, or climbing a leg. If you need to grab something off the floor in a deadlift movement pattern, you will need a strong grip. It is a foundational part of training and lifting weights. The Deadhang uses gravity to elongate the spine. This will help you feel and appear taller. Spinal decompression is relieving pressure on the discs in your back. It's comparable to something called traction therapy, which you can get done at many chiropractic offices. This is where you're gently pulled to open up more space between discs in your back. This is typically done with a seasoned medical professional. I have had it done a number of times when I was having pain in my thoracic spine area. Please consider consulting a medical professional if you're having any pain at all. Now, when comparing a Deadhang to a pull-up, your body is pulling down instead of up. This allows your spine to decompress and stretch out in a way that few exercises allow. If you, like me, spend a lot of your day hunched in front of a computer, you may not have the best posture. The act of hanging overhead can greatly help to decompress the spine, including helping to feel and look taller with better posture. A lot of us hunch down or roll forward without even knowing, and the Deadhang can help to kind of combat this, opening up your lat muscles and your back and helping combat normal sedentary life. The next benefit is improved core strength in your abdominals and obliques as you keep them tight and engaged. Your core is activated when hanging as you try to stay in a straight line and keep yourself from swinging back and forth. As you engage your core muscles, you will see they help with stability and performance in different exercises and athletic movements. Whether you feel it or not, your core is used in all movements, whether bending to the ground, reaching overhead, or horizontally across your body. Another huge benefit is simply building mental resilience, in which you push through the simplicity of the exercise to enable yourself to push limits and hold on past a comfort zone. This will carry over to other aspects of your life. For me, it helps to cultivate a can-do attitude, in which I feel I can accomplish more in daily life and work. Every second you hang on enables you to dig deeper. Not only does this help your muscles and your tone, but also translates to everyday movement with added strength. As a reminder, for beginners, focus on form, not the clock. Don't preset the time you will do in your head before starting. Instead, make sure you're safe, shoulders are away from your ears, and your core is engaged as you keep your legs straight. While the dead hang may appear straightforward and simple, its impact is anything but simple on your body. The dead hang is not just about going through the motions, but truly engaging the full body when done correctly. While 90 seconds does not sound like a lot, I challenge you to the 90-second dead hang challenge. To clarify, if you're completely new starting out, start with 10 to 20 seconds. That could be better. However, for those who are ready to try the dead hang for 90 seconds, let me know how it goes. If you're able to last longer, leave comments letting me know how long you can last. This will help to make it a habit, really just become a part of your daily routine between activities. It's something that's easy to do for 2 to 5 minutes, broken up over the course of the day. Now, moving along, here's my best advice to get you moving and doing the dead hang. First, you don't need much equipment, but you do need the right equipment. Find a sturdy ledge or pull-up bar that you can hang onto without getting hurt. Gymnastic rings work as well. This surface, your body, and gravity is all you need to hang successfully. Second, master the basic grip using an overhand grip, palms facing away, shoulder width apart, with your thumbs wrapped around the bar. Start by mastering this basic grip and don't overthink it or get too fancy. Third, start with short intervals, even if only doing 10 to 15 seconds at a time, or if you need to start with your feet on the ground. You'll be able to progress relatively quickly. If you have pain, be smart and reach out to your doctor. Fourth, either start or end your workout with the hang. Adding it to your fitness routine, even if it is only for 2 to 3 sets done consistently, most times you work or work out. Whatever your starting point, make sure you don't just focus on maximum time. Sub-maximal hangs, short of fatigue, are adequate so that you can repeat a number of times and improve. Fifth, listen to your body and be open to increasing or reducing frequency if needed. In addition, when you regularly do the dead hang, your body just feels better. You can breathe easier, your joints feel better and relaxed afterwards. If you have any tight areas in your core or back, those will get a nice deep stretch that will leave you feeling better throughout the day. If for no other reason, just do it to feel better. You will find that the dead hang helps especially in the shoulders and wrists to alleviate pain. It helps by alleviating pressure and helping with pain as you decompress. In society today, we don't move as much as we need to, and shoulder pain is common, as we don't regularly move or use shoulders in different planes of motion. They see joint of the scapula area, trapezius muscles can atrophy. Your rotator cuff can also not be fully utilized. By engaging them with the dead hang, this pressure and usage helps their mobility. It allows you to work these crucial pain points and can change your body on your own terms without having to have surgery. The dead hang is pretty hard to overtrain as long as you moderate yourself. You can hang most days of the week. In addition, don't worry if you need to miss a day to recover. Now, I would also recommend trying to set a goal. Try to challenge yourself to hang for a certain amount of days straight, a certain amount of times in a week, a certain amount of seconds you want to last. Whatever keeps you motivated. Write it down and just make it specific to your goals. Progression is key. You can start by progressing difficulty from feet on the ground all the way up to one arm over time. Gradually you can build up to 90 seconds or longer. Now, this is an exercise that I have done on and off for years. Some days, quite honestly, are easier than others, and some days you'll feel stronger or have better grip than others. It can take months and months or even years to get comfortable with. The key is consistency and patience. The dead hang does have its limits. It doesn't make you stronger at everything. It doesn't fix all pain. However, it helps with many areas of fitness. I would love to hear your stories of how hanging has helped you. It helps keep me motivated as well. The dead hang is one of the simplest yet effective ways to increase overall strength, grip strength, help stability and mobility of the shoulders, decompress your spine, improve posture, help your core, and build mental toughness. It can be effective whether you are new to working out or have been in fitness for years. I challenge you to try to build up to 90 seconds or longer safely. Let us know what you notice and leave comments. This way, we can all keep each other motivated. As always, our goal is to bring practical fitness advice to everyday people.